ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ഷിൻസ് ക്രിയേഷൻസ്. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത് റിപ്പബ്ലിക് ഡേ ഒക്കെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്കൊക്കെ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ പറയാൻ പറ്റിയ ഒരു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് റിപ്പബ്ലിക് സ്പീച്ചുമായിട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്യാതെ ഫുള്ളും കേൾക്കണേ. Good morning to our honorable principal, my beloved teachers and my dear friends. As you know, today all of us here to celebrate the Republic Day. Republic Day of India is celebrated on 26 January every year. The Indian Constitution was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and it is adopted on November 26, 1949. The Constitution of India came into effect from 26 January 1950 after attaining the Indian independence. We are celebrating Republic Day from 1950 with lots of love and happiness. It is a day that is important to every Indian citizen. When India became independent in 1947, it was still a group of kingdoms ruled by kings. Did they remain as our freedom fighters and their sacrifice? Did they give the message of solidarity, equality and harmony? The leaders were found for our independence from foreigners. It's because of their sector that today we are living in a democratic country. They decided the end of kingdoms. The President of India hoists national flag at Rajpath, New Delhi. Various events are also organized in Rajpath. The flag hoisting ceremony is held on 8 a.m., which is followed by a Republic Day speech by the President of India, and after that Republic Parade also occurred. The representatives from the armed forces and people from all parts of India participate in the parade. Flag will be hoisted all over the country. India's national flag is made up of three color rectangular flap. The top band is saffron in color, the bottom band is green in color and the middle band is white in color. In the center of white band there is a blue color wheel or chakra. Ashok chakra has 24 spokes. The symbol of the wheel is taken from the Ashok pillar at Sarnath. I am proud to be an Indian. Once again, I convey my Republic Day greetings to all. Thank you all for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you. Jai Hind. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് റിപ്പബ്ലിക് സ്പീച്ച് ഇഷ്ടമായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ ലൈക്കും ഷെയറും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കല്ലേ. ഇനിയും ഇതുപോലത്തെ പാട്ടുകളും പ്രസംഗങ്ങളുമായി വീണ്ടും വരാം. ബൈ.